Hello to you all and greetings from Denmark. My name is Ronny Boesing and I'm the owner of Danish Blockchain Services, founder of the blockchain VPLedger, and owner of the brand OpenLedger, as well as the upcoming Freelancer services on OpenLedger.one.
OpenLedger is all about synergy, the way we build and connect people with the blockchain. We've actually come up with that slogan, blockchain powered, people driven.
I have also a team supporting me under the domain OpenLedger.info. They do customs blockchain development.
In 2017, we did a survey on how many people were doing online freelancer activities. And in the US, we found out there was around 50 million people basically online. We also found out that an estimation of 87 million would then be 10 years later in 2027. So having that in mind, and then looking at how the COVID-19 pandemic is affecting the general life of everybody worldwide, I think it's time to discuss and consider that the future world will be a lot to do with freelancer activities. That's where the proposal and the idea that we have comes in.
Ever since I was a boy, I've been really looking into doing things that nobody else really felt for doing or thought too difficult, etc. I've really been looking for challenges as such. I guess you could say that I'm one of those kind of pioneers going where nobody else have ever gone before. That is at least what I've been looking for. I guess you could use it as an example when I was reading all those Davy Crockett books in the past when I was a boy. Davy Crockett, the pioneer in the US Wild West. Well, that as well as the cultural experiences I've had in the past, where I've been exchange student in the US, exchange student in Japan, really trying all the things early on that was for the few. Now coming up to the recent times, back in 2014 I entered into blockchain technology and started actually getting an insight on what blockchain was all about.
Blockchain technology, at least in my eyes and in my vision, is creating transparency, making sure that corruption, for instance, will disappear. A way of showing people result in a transparent, speedy, even flexible way. Yeah, I love it.
I've been trying quite a bit since then. We've been providing and building a centralized exchange. We moved on to exploring that blockchain technology and then introduced a decentralized exchange prototype. We then used the knowledge and experiences that we've then achieved and built since then. And by we, I mean, of course, my team behind me, as well as myself. We managed to build and come up with customs blockchain solutions and development for bigger F500 companies.
OpenLedger is all about synergy and everything that needs to be done in order to allow a perfect solution when it comes to crowdfunding and supporting startups worldwide. We do that by building blockchain, innovation and crowdfunding in an alternative way. When you think of OpenLedger, you will be thinking of crowdfunding and you'll be thinking of how you get your funds in the right way, at the right time, to the right people.
The technology achieved from my team and the vision from myself, combining that with the pioneering empathy parts already mentioned earlier, I think that when I then present the blockchain VPLedger, which is really built for enterprises and going against the way blockchain technology is thought of, at least when it comes to currencies, etc. involved, I think combining that blockchain and the new consensus that we have created with a Freelancer platform where the user is in the center.
It's a great thing to finally, or to actually be in a business where you feel alive every single second. I believe in creating value that allows the whole world to actually use the blockchain in future.
Somebody asked me the other day, why do I care about this project? Well, thinking way back and up until now, it's always been my biggest interest to find ways to help people who have less. So when coming up with this idea of OpenLedger.one, it's really an idea where I feel it could also be some way of a legacy to me for the future. If I'm able to actually provide perhaps even billions of people a way to actually come up with an extra pay or an extra income to allow them to come above poverty level, well, then I've been really helping to this world problem. And that, I guess, is why I care. I care about people in general, and my pioneering and empathy instincts will allow me, combined with the blockchain technology that I've actually come up and experienced in the past, it will allow me to bring this to fruition and to people who really need it.
I think one thing everybody should await and look forward to is a website coming up called OpenLedger.one, OpenLedger.one. That website will create a part of a masterpiece that is being built.
Thank you for watching. Contact details and other social media information can be found at the end of this video. I would like to draw attention to the website of VPLedger. It's called VPLedger.com. There you are able to actually request to buy one of the memberships that are available right now on the blockchain. And you may also go to the VPLedger.io, where you can actually sign up and create your own account for free. And provided you have received the necessary VPL to actually purchase membership, you are now able to upgrade for lifetime membership. That lifetime membership is only available as long as we are in alpha stage. So this is just an invitation to join me on this journey, and I hope that I will be able to speak with you very soon.